went on and on.
Well, my two colleagues here were a bit surprised, and that's what we hoped for. Yeah, you see right there, two of our own, Jenny and Josh, celebrating a birthday. Both of them have the same birthday tomorrow, November 18th. And with that, all of us here at KOIN 6 want to wish Jenny Hansen and Josh Cozart a very happy birthday. So they were surprised. Shout out to producer Miranda who put that together, and so I knew, but you guys didn't know.
I know. I was like, "What's happening right now?" Yeah,
we couldn't put that ahead of time, and you guys would see that and know. So
and I was like, "What is it?" I think it was labeled football in our rundown.
Yes.
And I was like, "What?"
Football.
Yeah, and that totally threw them off. So you didn't pick up on the
scent. Yes, we're only like 2 decades apart, but same birthday.
You guys, and you guys get along real well, so it all works out.
We get along okay.
Yeah,
just okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to let you know, I looked up, you're both Scorpios as a result, and according to the Google, it says those born on that day, November 18th, possess amazing determination and an unbeatable will.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, that's us.
And super good looking, too.
That
was on there, too, I'm
funny,
sure.
Clever, witty, add all of that, creative fun, because that's all about.
Oh, well, thank you.
Happy early birthday,
Appreciate
though.
it. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Well, great weather for the pre-birthday celebration. At least today's been really nice.
At least today.
At least today. You know, you and I, we've been celebrating today because tomorrow the weather, not necessarily celebrating for us.
Yes.
Yeah, the next round of rain, wind, it's on the way. So buckle up, get ready for some weather whiplash as we see those sunny skies today, and the fog layer quickly flip to the cloud coverage and widespread rain and wind, but at least a pretty picture out towards the Ridgefield area. All thanks to our A cameras, that fog layer started to drift its way out of our area, and already seen the visibility improve up and down the I-5 corridor, but diminishing out towards places like Tillamook down to about a mile. Also holding on to a bit of that fog and cloud coverage east of the Gorge area. The Dow's at about 44 degrees right now with winds out of the east at about 9 miles per hour. Pretty picture though out towards the Forest Grove area. Still just a few fall colors hanging on. A lot of those likely coming down to the ground as we see wind gusts tomorrow near about 30 miles per hour. But the cloud coverage tonight, it does start to increase as our temperatures slide back into the mid-40s, and our winds right now out the southeast at about 13 miles per hour. Those two will only continue to climb tonight and into much of the day tomorrow. Right now the winds out the southeast, but they will be changing directly out the east as we work our way into tomorrow as we prepare for our rain gauges to really start to fill up. Seeing almost 3/4 of an inch for Portland. We're talking about maybe an inch and a half possible for some of our coastal communities. As high pressure that brought us the sunshine today quickly moves out, we prepare for our cold front to not only usher in the wet and windy weather, but also start to drop that snow elevation level down to maybe even as low as about 3,000 feet or so as a ridge of high pressure once again returns those mild temperatures and dry skies for the first half of next week. So here's a snapshot of your timeline on Saturday. Pack your patience. The wet weather, it won't return until we get to the later evening, afternoon hours. After sunset, that's when the brunt of this latest system will find its way back into the Pacific Northwest. But those snow elevation levels, they are going to be dipping quite low, 2,500 feet to maybe 3,000 feet as we work our way into Sunday. But Monday into Tuesday, that's when drier and warmer air once again returns as the National Weather Service over the high terrain at the Cascades above about 4,000 feet has a winter weather advisory in effect from tomorrow at 7 o'clock all the way through Sunday evening. That's where our snow accumulation could near about a foot up in the upper layers of the elevation. But as far as that Thanksgiving travel forecast goes, 50s, 40s next week. Mountain passes likely going to hold on to just a bit of that snowfall as we fall to about 43 degrees tonight. Those winds increasing tomorrow. Cloudy, windy to start off the day. We get back up into the mid-50s before the wet weather once again returns in our 7-day forecast. It's all spelled out for you as maybe you hit the roads or the skies over the next week or so in preparation of Thanksgiving. Expect to see the morning fog return for the start of the day on Monday. Temperatures into the low to mid-50s. We dry things out Tuesday, Wednesday, Turkey Day itself going to be comfortable. 51 mostly cloudy skies, and we see much of the same on Black Fridays. A lot of people hit the shopping malls.
Yeah, because we're out of that, tough part of the pandemic, so it's like people are
back
all
at
out
it,
shopping.
full force.
And about tomorrow, you guys, on your official birthday,
Yes.
I think that at least tomorrow's weather is not boring, and that's like you guys. You guys are not boring at all. So
This
a
is true.
fascinating forecast.
We are not boring. That is true.
Spice it up.
Not at all.
That's right.
Yes.
Spicy. Okay, coming up, how soon until you can